we need to create a sanitary system. And to do that, go over to your project browser and select Piping Systems. At the bottom, you can see Sanitary comes with Revit. Right-click and duplicate in your system. I'm going to rename mine SAN. Now that we have our piping system, let's draw our pipe. So we come back up to Systems, you go to Pipe, and it's asking us to click and enter pipe start point. But before we do that, we have to make sure that our pipe types is correct because we have options. Make sure that you're on the right pipe type and make sure that you're on the right system type. And our system is going to be a sanitary system, the one we just created, SAN. Now that we have that, we can choose our diameter. Could be, I'm going to go with a 3-inch. Let's do 3-inch. And it is at a -2. That's how it's going to start. So let's see, we have it here, we have it here, and we have it there. Let's look at this. So what it's telling me is that it is a sanitary piping system. And to check that, let's check another system, and that's the cold water. So that's how you can create your sanitary pipe.